Hi everybody, it's Sarah. It is Friday, May 8th, and I have not posted in a while, but I have something I've been preparing for, and it's something everybody who's in foreclosure in Connecticut needs to prepare for. There's a big thing happening. It's happening very soon. It's right around the corner. It is that the court, when everything shut down in March, the court moved all of the March, April, and May law days to June 2nd. Okay, now it's going to be a big disaster on that day for a lot of reasons, but you can prevent that disaster from happening and causing you problems if you are one of the people who has a June 2nd law day. You can get ahead of it. You can contact a lawyer now. You can start filing motions now. You can start working on your case now. And if you wait much longer, you're going to run out of time. A couple of things. Number one, Monday, May 11th, that's just a couple of days from now, I am doing a webinar about all of this. What can you do? What should you do? What's going to happen on June 2nd? What you should be doing in advance, okay? Monday, May 11th, I'm going to run it at 11 a.m. The link to sign up is in the comments here. And sign up, register now, you'll get reminders, and you'll even get a link to the video after, because we're going to record it so you can watch it after if May 11th at 11 a.m. is not a good time for you, okay? So number one, get signed up for my webinar, whether you can watch it when I run it live or not, okay? Submit questions to me so I can be sure to answer those questions on the webinar. Number two is you can start doing something about your June 2nd law day, okay? You have to understand it is not a court date. A law day is not a day when you walk into the court and say to the judge, hey judge, I'm here, I'm going to want to talk about my case. It doesn't work that way. Okay, June 2nd is not a court date. In fact, law days in Connecticut are typically, in my part of the state, Hartford, New Britain Court, Middletown Court, New Haven Court, Rockville Court, Waterbury, Eastern Connecticut. Typically law days are on Mondays. Some days, some courts down Fairfield County, I think Bridgeport, Stamford, maybe Danbury, they set Tuesday law days, but otherwise, the rest of the state, law days are usually on Mondays, and court is usually on Monday. So if your law day is June 2nd, that's a Tuesday. So if you're in the central and northeastern part of the state, your law day is not going to be on a court date. So you can't walk into the court on a Tuesday when there's no hearings and say, okay, judge, I'm here to talk about my case. All right, so that's the major disaster that's going to happen, is everybody's gotten a letter saying, oh, you might have had a law day in March, April, or May, but now it's being moved to June 2nd. So first of all, these law days are usually all spread out. Usually there's lots of Mondays every month, but now everybody's law day for 3 months is going to be on one day. And I don't think the courts are prepared for the fact that people are going to think that it's actually a court date, and it's not, because you're going to have gotten a letter in the mail and it looks like a hearing notice. It's not. You'll notice there's no time on that notice, so that doesn't mean there's an actual hearing scheduled, okay? So I really need to prevent this disaster of everybody with a June 2nd law day walking into court on June 2nd. There aren't going to be any judges available. You're not going to be able to get a motion filed and heard on that day. And so therefore, the next day on Tuesday, you'll have lost your house. So spread the word. Anybody who might be behind on their mortgage, who might have a pending foreclosure in Connecticut, who might have a law day on June 2nd, spread the word, check your court notices if you're in foreclosure, make sure you have that. If that's your date, do something now, okay? You have 3 weeks, you're gonna need all of that time to fix your situation and be prepared to delay or beat your law day on June 2nd, all right? Tune into my webinar May 11th for more details and more strategy, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.